Life insurance is the world's safest industry. There's an account that yields 5 to 6 times more than long-term CDs, has guaranteed returns in most cases, does not have to be reported to the IRS, can be accessed by any time without penalty, lets you retire 100% income tax-free, and yet almost no one knows how wonderful these plans are because the government places tight restrictions on the advertising of these accounts even though they are 100% legal. Why are they secret? Because they can't make a dime off of them. If we sold cash value life insurance to everybody in America, there would be no tax revenue for these guys to screw up.
Let's step away from what we know about life insurance, at least the traditional way of thinking, because we normally think that life insurance is really just based upon once we pass and what we leave for our family to handle our final expenses. Let's look at it in a different mindset. How is your life insurance policy benefiting you today while you're alive? It should be offering you living benefits. That means if something happens to you, God forbid, that causes you to not to be able to perform 2 daily functions, you should be receiving a monthly payment to take care of those bills. You should have cash back options. Once the policy, if you have a term policy, once the policy ends, you should be able to get all of your premiums returned. And if you have an index policy, your policy should be going alongside the market, as opposed to having your policies in things like 401ks and it's affected by the market and you can't get that money back. And all the years you've worked have gone to waste. Ask me how you can get started on setting up a policy that works best for your family, especially the infinite banking policy. For those of you who have assets you really want to protect, we have a policy that we can offer you that'll offer you compound interest, a way to save and get rid of debt in less of the time, including mortgages, as well as building compound interest on your principal and a significant death benefit. What's to think about? Ask me how.